Hello, today we're going to look at changing the wax filter on an Oticon hearing aid. I've got an Oticon Intent here, but they're all the same for quite a long time, so we want to carefully remove the dome. I find in order to protect the receiver, I turn the dome inside out and use the dome rather than the receiver to gently remove it. Place it to one side, maybe replace it as well if you've got some spares, but for now we'll just reuse that one. Find your wax filters. I've already used some of these. Gently remove it. Make sure the new wax filter is still safely on the end, like so. Find the empty nipple. Pop that into the wax filter on the hearing aid. Turn it over. Gently press the new wax filter in. And there you have it. You can maybe give it a general brush and to wipe is a nice time to, it looks like it could do with a bit more of a clean. But for now, today we're just doing the wax filter. So that's how you do the wax filter. Very carefully roll the dome back on. Turn it the right way out, give it a check to make sure it's firmly in place. And there you have it. That's how to change the wax filter on your Oticon hearing aid. Thank you.